I'm going to pressure can a few pints of Escarole and Beans. My dad's Italian, he loves this dish. He made a pretty simple dish. He would just use the escarole, garlic, olive oil, parmesan cheese, and the white beans. I have some San Marzano tomatoes and some sausage I need to use, and I'm going to add a little onion. So that's something my dad did not do. Now this is not the true escarole. The escarole my dad used was more like a, it looked like lettuce. This is what I grew in my garden. It's actually frisee. It's an Italian bitter green, and that's what I'm going to use because that's what I have. I might actually go out in the backyard and clip a little bit of kale if I run out of greens. Alright, I'm going to get this all chopped up and then we'll start canning. Okay. Let's see, we're going to build a jar here. I guess we'll start off with 2 pieces of sausage on the bottom. Scoop of white beans. Another little scoop. And we'll do some onion. 2 cloves of garlic. Some frisee. Let's see. Okay. Gotta pack that shit in there. Alright, and then we'll do some Parmesan cheese in there. Okay, we'll fill that up with water, and that's going to be one variation. We're going to do another one with San Marzano tomatoes. Let's see how this looks once I fill it up with water. So that's what these things are going to look like. I'm just going to add, if you want to be fancy, add chicken broth. If not, just add water. That's both are fine. Okay, second jar. Do some sausage, 3 pieces, 2 cloves of garlic, some onion. Put a little bit of frisee in there. Good scoop of beans. And we'll smash that shit down. Okay. This one, maybe we'll do 1 plum tomato. This is a San Marzano tomato. Stick it in there. And Parmesan cheese. All right. Let me fill these jars, and then we'll see if I have enough frisee to do all of this. I keep on calling it frisee. Escarole. All right. Okay, I got all the jars filled up, and we're ready to clean up these edges here and get these babies sealed up and thrown in the pressure canner. Cool. This is a fun dish. It's been a long time since I've had it. Okay, looks like we've got 6 pints today. Let's load these babies up. Okay, this thing is venting pretty good. I picked up one of these little shakers. Even though it's got the gauge, you can put this thing on and run at 10 psi. You don't have to make any adjustments. It's pretty nice. Okay, we're at 10 psi. All right, in 75 minutes. Okay, let these babies cool down and we'll check them out. It looks like there was some siphoning, but everything looks pretty decent, so let these things cool off and we'll We'll clean them up.
I've had escarole and beans many times, but never with the tomato. After having that, I actually think I like it better than the plain without the tomato. So, it is a fun dish, easy to make. You should do it. It's definitely a keeper. Thanks for watching.